Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply remove filter from Snapchat photo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, let's go ahead, open up our Snapchat app first, and now tap on this snap, aka the pictures icon on bottom left, and now go ahead, tap on that particular picture of yours. So right now you can see we have chosen a very obvious filter right over there. First thing you're gonna do is simply have to tap on this icon, and now you can simply choose to swipe through the remaining filters. So you just have to choose the one which is less obvious. For this filter we cannot find any natural one because this already has this text given, which is definitely a sign of a filter. So make sure to choose one filter which does not obviously state a filter sign, right? So you can go ahead, swipe through the remaining filters and choose the bit natural one, and that is the only option. Otherwise you cannot remove the Snapchat filter from existing photo of yours. So that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.